Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to increase the computer performance, the gaming performance. Trust me, after doing these steps, FPS of the game will be surely increased. Overall gaming experience will be way better than earlier. All these steps are absolutely tried and tested. So let's get started. So the very first step, in the search bar, you just need to type power and then you will find power and sleep settings. Once you open the power and sleep settings, at the right hand side you will find additional power settings. So we need to click on that and then you will find choose or customize a power plan. Now here you can change the plan settings, or from the left hand side you can create a power plan, select high performance or ultra performance, give it a name. I'll just type gaming. Click on next and then create it. Once this is done, close this window and do a right click in the start icon and click on run. And here you need to type once you have typed services.msc, click on OK. A new window will appear like this, and here you need to disable few unwanted services which you do not require, and I will explain why you should disable it. It will only increase the performance. The very first service which we need to disable is sysmain. Earlier it used to be superfetch, now it is sysmain. What exactly it does, whatever the applications you use very frequent, it makes it available for you. So it does a continuous indexing in the computer. This is why the CPU usage gets high and the performance is not good. So I would recommend just to do a right click, go to properties, and from startup type click on disabled and then apply and then OK. And once this is done, you need to do a right click again and click on stop. Once this is done, we need to go to at the very top, all join router service. So if you're not connecting your computer to smart TVs or refrigerators, then you just need to do a right click, go to properties, and here from manual to click on disable, then apply and OK. Now we will look for fax service, so you just need to press F and you will find fax. So if it's manual, just do a right click, go to properties, and from manual to make it disabled. Once this is done, click on apply and OK and close this window. You just need to do a right click on the start icon again and click on task manager. This is a very important step. Now once the task manager is open, you need to check processes, performance and startup. Now once you're in startup tab, make sure all the unwanted applications at the startup is disabled. So I do not need Microsoft OneDrive at the startup, so I'll just click on disable. Windows security is absolutely fine, it should be turned on. If you have any graphics, Intel services, make sure you do not disable it. Only unwanted, unnecessary applications should be disabled. You just need to do a right click and click on disable. Once this is done, close this window and just do a right click on the start icon again and click on run and type clean mg. So it's clean mgr and then click on OK. This will open up the disk cleanup for C. Checkmark all the items. This will remove all the bad cache, registries and the junk which is making the computer slow, the performance of the computer slow will be deleted. This will only remove the junk from your computer, so please do not worry about it. Once you do a check mark, click on OK, and in this manner you will be getting rid of all the bad files, the junks, cache which makes the computer slow. Once this is done, restart the computer and see the difference. Let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you or not. And please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.